Hey guys, welcome to another David Zamoletta. My name is Serge, and in today's video I want to tell you guys what is to come on this channel. What I have planned, like some of my plans, I like to talk about them and letting you guys know like what to expect. So one of the things that I do want to mention, first and foremost, there's some cars that I gotta fix and flip, including fixing some of the cars for me. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. And then another thing that I will talk about probably in a different video is I plan to participate in Lemons Racing. I'm not sure if you ever heard of Lemons Racing, but that's when you take a $500 car and you participate in racing across the whole United States. So that's actually really cool. And I have a car that I have in mind for that. Couple cars actually, but one of the cars that I have in mind, it would make a perfect car for it. It's a 2002, I believe, Mercedes CLK 320 convertible. Now, I've gotten that car. Basically, it was a $500 car, but my brother was selling for $500 in his parking lot, and he says, "Hey, you want it?" And I said, "Sure, what's wrong with it?" And basically it's been sitting for a very long time. Water has got into it, and it damaged a lot of the electrical connectors and whatnot because it's got a leaky roof. On top of that, it's got blocked channels where the water actually escaped. So I will be showing you guys that car in a video, to come. But firstly, I would like to tell you guys my personal cars that I'm working on that I need to actually fix for myself and for my wife, obviously, because that's the most important thing, because I need cars to obviously be able to function, be able to drive places. So at this point, I only have this Range Rover, 2006 Range Rover Sport, and I really enjoy it. It's got right now 174,000 miles. Some of the things that I plan to do to it is, first and foremost, I'm going to be replacing the radiator overflow tank. I will be replacing the thermostat, and possibly, and most likely, I will be replacing the water pump because I'm going to have a lot of this stuff taken apart. Might as well go ahead and do it. And I will be replacing the serpentine belt. Also, it's a possibility that I'm going to replace the tensioner, and also possibility of me replacing pulleys. Now, I'm going to have to decide whether or not to replace those things, but there's a very good chance that I will actually do that because it's kind of important. Okay, with that being said, some of the other things that I'm gonna be doing to this Range Rover is I'm gonna be adding running boards, which is a side step along the vehicle, because I already bought them. So I'm gonna be adding them, and they're gonna make the vehicle look nicer, but more importantly, it's going to help people get inside of the vehicle a lot easier, because it sits 2 feet off the ground, well, at the highest point, but it rides at like a midpoint, and it can also go slightly lower. But the normal driving, it probably sits about a foot off the ground, if not more. I'll have to probably measure it, but I think running boards would be important. They look nice. They will actually add to the appearance of the Range Rover. Also, I'm going to be adding a roof rack. I'm going to also add kind of like when you open up the door, the lamps that will shine down, and basically it's going to display that it's like Range Rover, like on the actual floor. I think it's going to be kind of cool. So that's for the cool factor. And then also when you open up the door, I'm going to be replacing adding like a chrome things that's sort of like before you get in, like it's a plastic one right now, but I'm gonna make it a little bit more modern, and I'm gonna be adding that, and it's gonna say sport. It's gonna glow sport when you open the door. So that is that. Also, I will be updating the front headlights. So I'm gonna be replacing the glass on the actual headlight, and I will add angel eyes to the light. So that is a project in itself, and I'm doing this stuff for the cosmetics, so the vehicle looks a little bit more modern. Additionally, I will show you things that I have done, like how did I update that dashboard that was cracked for like, I think like 77 bucks, and it looks like a nice dashboard now. Also, my power mirrors don't work. My electrical seat does not move forward or back. The way it's adjusted fits me perfectly. Perfect driving condition. So whoever had this prior to me was about similar build. And I'm totally comfortable with driving it how it is. So it's perfect for me. But for my wife, when she drives, she's got to put a pillow in her back to sit a little bit more forward. Now, with that being said, I will be also doing an oil change, obviously. I will look into my air suspension. I do hear some leaks. However, my Range Rover does not sink to the bottom, but I'm starting to notice when I leave it, like it's the front end would sit slightly lower. But it's still fine, so that's not going to be like an immediate thing that I need to tackle. But obviously there's a lot that I got to look into and, you know, fix electronically with this Range Rover. Also, I do believe there is an issue with the drainage for the sunroof. So whenever I go to a car wash, sometimes I would have a little bit of water that will drip kind of like behind the dashboard and the floor. So obviously it's either a broken line or it's something going on. So I'll have to kind of like look into that. Not very exciting to look into it. Also the this roof liner, it's nice and soft and everything, but it's not sagging, which is a good thing. But I would like to update it to an Alcantara type of look. I think that would be a lot nicer. And also, I'm going to be doing interior color change. I'm going to change all the seats to be white. So basically, right now they're kind of like not a tan, but more like a cream color. So I'm going to be updating that. And I think that's about it for now, because it really does not need a lot. That sounds like a lot. Oh yeah, also there's a problem with the parking brake. It's electronic parking brake, so it has failed. So I need to resolve that issue. Also, there's a tire pressure light is on. So I'm actually missing a couple sensors that actually pick up the tire pressure, you know, so I got to resolve that. Also, I got, for some reason, an airbag light on, and this vehicle, I think, was not in an accident. It's got a clean title, but you never know. So I'll have to kind of like look into that just to kind of clean up my dash a little bit. So that is an update for that. And basically, next I want to tell you another vehicle that I'm working on. I have a 2007 BMW X5. It is a 4.8 liter. It's got, well, it had 70 codes when I first got it. Lots of issues, including transmission issues, four-wheel drive system issues, that battery, and like bunch of other stuff. So I'm going to be looking into it and fixing it. So I actually have a really nice computer now. It's a launch computer that I'm able to go in there and basically do all kinds of services, which is kind of cool. I will definitely be doing a transmission type of job and the four-wheel drive system, you know, stuff like that. Like, I will be working on that stuff and showing you guys how that stuff is done, just for fun, you know. So I'm hoping to record a lot nicer videos than I have in the past. Hopefully I have learned to do a better job by now. Additionally, I have a little bit more information and stuff to go on, you know, when it comes to repairing those type of vehicles. So I would like to fix that vehicle for me. It's just a black X5. It looks nice. Probably going to be updating the rims on it to make it look nicer. But that's kind of like all in the future. And then I got to do a lot of cosmetical stuff to it, including doing the brake change, brake job, you know, on it and stuff like that. So plenty of work with that one. Okay. In the next video, I would like to talk to you guys a little bit about the Lemons racing that I'm going to be participating in, some of the stuff with that, and I also would like to tell you guys some of the other plans in the next video, how I'm going to be also making money from now on, automotive related. So I'm getting closer and closer to my goals. So that is going to be like, you know, buying, fixing and flipping cars, obviously selling used car parts. You know, that's just the short of it. You know, there's obviously a lot that's going on. But anyways, guys, see you in the next video where we talk about the Lemons racing and the vehicle that I'm getting ready to prepare, you know, to use for that. So anyways, see you then.